Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you automate battery saver like you want to do when your phone's battery falls below 30%, so the battery saver mode automatically enables. You can do this automation by using the shortcuts application. Make sure you have installed this application or you can download it from the app store. So after that, open shortcuts, then go to automation and then click on add automation. Now click on create personal automation, and now you have to scroll down and find battery level. Click on it. Now choose falls below 50%. Now you can drag it and select the battery level you want to enable the low power mode. Like I want it on 30%, and then click on next. Now click on add action and search for low power mode. Here is set low power mode. Select it and then click on next, and make sure to turn off this option, ask before running, and then click on done. Now whenever your battery falls below the 30%, then the low power mode will automatically turn on. So this is how you can enable the automatic low power mode on your iPhone. If you want to delete this automation, then open shortcuts and go to automation and swipe this to left, and this automation will be deleted. Thank you everyone.